Hello, let's talk about thickening coffee. Thickening coffee is just like thickening any other beverage, but it happens to be warm or hot. And so it's very simple, very easy to do. I have 8 ounces of hot coffee here, and to the hot coffee I'm going to add, in this case it just happens to be 2 moderately thick packets. You add the correct dose depending on whatever thickness is appropriate for the resident you're thickening this for, or if you're doing a bulk batch, that's fine too. So I'm just going to add my 2 packets, and then it's just a matter of stirring. A word of caution when you're thickening hot beverages is to be mindful of the fact that you are dealing with people with a swallowing problem, and that we need to be careful that we're not serving the thickened hot beverages too hot and cause scalding in the mouth. So now that I've added this, I'm just going to stir. Generally speaking, we don't recommend serving anything really much above 140 degrees Fahrenheit, just due to the risk of scalding. But otherwise, this thickens very quickly and without much issue at all. It's just a matter of mixing for, 45 seconds or so. I can feel that it is thickened. I can show you that it is thickening quite a bit. And I'm just going to make sure that it is completely thickened without any problem. And now that we're going to do the test, I'm going to bring in this container, which is where I'm going to let the flow test material fall, because we don't want to put it back into the cup, and then I have a timer. So to do the flow test, to check and confirm the thickness, I'm going to use the IDDSI funnel here. You can use a syringe as well. We fill this up to the 10 milliliter line. We let it drain for 10 seconds, and that will tell us how thick it is. So when I take this, the funnel is very nice because I can just pour right into it. I don't have to use a second syringe. Alright, so we have that there. I'm going to run the test for 10 seconds. And you should be able to see it's just dripping slightly. And that is 10 seconds. And you can see it's barely moved. It's still up at the 10 milliliter line, so this is indeed moderately thick cup of coffee. So that is all you need to do to thicken coffee and have it ready for a resident to enjoy. Thank you so much.